Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show missing media on the VLC application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button under the playlist option at the left side on the screen and go to the Settings section. Scroll down and in the extra settings section you can find the first option, the interface. And here go to the Show Missing Media, show distant media even if they are not present function. And if you want to enable, just click to the next square icon and new this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.